Yo, yo. Morning, guys. CPI day today. Pretty lackluster print, though. Took it on a couple accounts. I got cooked, though, but that's life. You guys trade CPI? Anyone try it? What's up, Kai? What's up, Isabel? 5 minutes till the open. I mean, it's just looking like it's gonna pump. Do I just get long or something? Might just have to. Yo, what's up, Hattie? What's up, Brownie? What up, guys? What up, what up? Let's see. See what the open brings in 4 minutes, 3 minutes. Do I get long though? That's the question. Feel like this just runs at open. If I miss the opening long, I might just be pissed. Because that's some free money. Maybe I gotta size down to like MNQ and try it with... No, but then... I don't know yet. I mean, I possibly could have gotten long off this wick, CPI wick high. Off of 60. Be up 8 points, 10 points. What's up, CR7? We got Ronaldo on the stream, guys. We got Cristiano Ronaldo on the stream. CR7 is here. Let's go. Let's go, guys. We got Soccer Legend in here. We got Hattie in here. We got Isabel, Kai. We got Rowney. Bro, we got everybody. Oh, Ronaldo himself. Sweet. Messi gonna follow. Low-key, do I just press long? Feel like I'm gonna get cooked if I do. Oh god. I might just try it, dude. I might just. I might just go for YOLO on this fresh funded that I have. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna press long. Let me set up this cop here. I think I'm just gonna press long, guys, right at the open. See what happens. Hopefully it works out. Okay. What? Didn't get my fill. I clicked join bid. Still got a bit of time. Got 50 seconds. No fill for me, unfortunate. I have to mark it in. Does this really go down at the open? This is just gonna fly, I feel like. Please fill me. Oh my god. I hope, bro. This is I'm like sweating right now. Oh my goodness. This looks pretty free, but then, I mean, anything could happen. It's kind of like a YOLO setup. Oh my goodness, God. Just gonna mark it by. I have a 20-point stop. We'll see. This could have been like a 10, 15-point stop if I got filled on the 80. Unfortunate. No straight ripper. Okay, so I guess we try long from lower. Get stopped out here. Yep. Try it from lower. See what it presents. Maybe that was a bottom tick stop out. Possibly, because we had some selling down here. Yeah, I traded CPI. I got cooked though. Okay, we're ripping down. Damn. Good stop on my end. Risk 20 points. I try something lower here into the CPI candle. No, I'm trying to long this. Oops. Okay, I did not mean to do that. All right. Took a $200 loss there. I tried to put a limit. So retarded. Try to put a limit down here. See if I can short into the target. Come on, just trim me out. Okay. All right. I'm filled long. Bottom tick so far. Let me just add one more. Oh, come on. That's a nice entry. Please just hold. Did I trim one? God damn, I think I might get stopped. Increase it a little bit. Oh, that's too much. A lot of buying coming in. It's trying to push it. This might get ugly if it fails because we're having all this buying come in. Yeah. Try it again there. Rip. Ah, do I try it again? Goodness. Alright. Last ditch attempt. I'm just gonna risk these accounts now. If it works, it works. That right there would blow this account. We'll see. We'll see if I can secure a max payout off this play. I really like this area. I mean, we'll see though. It just gotta get over 905s. Can't get over 905s, that's a big issue. Big issue. Okay, trimmed one. Come on, get me another trim at 918. Nice, okay. We're looking great. We're looking great. We're up 800 realized. Trying to hold this. Just need a little bit higher, and I'll be out. Come on. Just need like this right here. Come on. Oh my God, please. Come get my fill. Oh my God, are we serious? And my platform just crashed. Oh, what? Okay. All right. Closed up 2.8K on that play. Try see if I get a little bit extra juice here. I don't like it though. Put like $500 stop. Just need a little bit more, man. I just need a little bit more. Pretty much got the max secured. Oh God, okay, yeah. Well, I didn't size heavy for this one, so glad. Might just flip short if it takes me out. Did I just close maybe? Yeah, let's close it. All right. I'm still up 2.5. See if I can get short into this low break. See if we're actually strong here. This would basically secure like a max payout. I would just need days of like 200 going forward. We'll see though. Just gotta break this low. This would give me what I need. Come on. Can it really go a little bit more though after that wick? Do I take it off? Don't like how it's reacting. All right, some buying came in. We're back up to 2.8. I just need to get to like 3.3, so I'm looking for 25 more points on a mini here. Is it e-value trading? No, it's 500 accounts at a firm called Taurus. It's basically like a flex account. Okay, so we would have got filled. Oh goodness. We would have got max payout. Hold on. Let me try and lock this max payout in. Okay, didn't get my fill. And now we're in. Let's see. Just a little bit lower. I'll trim one. Oh god. It's not good. I went a bit too aggressive there with too minis, but it should sell off here. I got a lot on the line on this one. Pretty tight. I hope this one hits. Pretty much got a max payout if this one hits. Good God, can't break through. Goodness. Can we just break the low? Send it a bit lower? I mean, it should see the CPI data low, but it's not. That's kind of why I shorted. Okay. Come on, man. Break the low. Break the low and give me my max payout. Good God, this struggle up against the level that I TP'd into. Dude, do I just add two more? Tempted, but I don't really want to put on that risk. It's not going my way though. See if I could just de-risk a bit, maybe. At this point, might as well. God. I like that reaction off 910. Can we get going now? That's the key, that's the $1 million question. Previous buying here. This would be the place to get short, I feel like, with good risk reward. This is some actual order flow activity right here. I kind of just jumped in head first down here, trying to target the low. With no confirmation. Come on, just go down and I get $9,000 secured. Be a nice start to the day. Especially because I cooked some accounts on CPI. I like the reaction now. If we go and revisit it, don't know if I like it as much. Want to see lower now. It's trying. Come on. That little buy order is not enough to hold us, bro. Please. Okay. See if I can add. All right. God, now we break out. Last time we had a nice reaction. Yeah, I got cooked. Oh, got cooked on those accounts. I was so close to a max payout. I was just tilted from this morning's CPI, so I wanted to try to get a max payout in today. I didn't need to do that today. I'm lucky. Unlucky. God. We are 19 minutes into the session. Yeah, I was 500 away to blowing. I know, it's sad. Would have been $9,000 secured on those accounts. I mean, I'm requesting another 5,500 from trade if I just need 3 more winning days. So at least I have that, but I guess I greeted. All right. Well, I'm gonna make it my mission to try and get funded this stream and paid out on those accounts. So bought those evals again. It's pretty cheap. Let me see if I can put them on the copy trader. It's instant activation as well, so I'm gonna try to get funded and then just trade the funded as well. See what I can do. See if I can cook. God, it's so unfortunate. That was a nice first trade. Happens. Okay, got some fresh accounts. Let's see if I can pass the eval. So I need to make 3K without losing 2. Off of these orders, we'll see if this holds this time. We had a nice breakout above. See if we can come down and hold this buying aggression. We'll see though, I only have 2K drawdown. Obviously I'm sized insane. This would, what would be my blowing point? Like 85s. We'll see. See if it just runs through. What was that? Sell. What the hell? What would I need to pass? I would need 48s to pass. I think it's doable. It's a nice trade if it works. I like the reaction, but if we revisit like now we're doing now, I don't like it as much. I want to see this go now, or else I think we get cooked on these accounts. Nice reaction though. It's revisiting again, not good. Not what I want to see. I want to see a sharp move up now. Yeah, it's not good. Not good. Come on, NQ. Show me some love. I was 500 away and I blew my last set of accounts. Nice. Nice little buy up. See some continuation. 30 points. 30 points off this order is very doable, I would say. Off of this huge order, I would say it's doable, please. Damn, I was halfway to my profit target. Bro, I was halfway to my profit target. Oh my god. Today's just a tilting day, huh? We're like $100 from getting stopped out, basically blown. Oh, we basically wicked into it, so we got lucky. If we trade the low, we're cooked, so don't trade the low. We'll see. That would be insane luck if it actually goes. I just don't like it. I mean, it's not looking good as it revisited the area. Just gets weaker and weaker, which you don't want to see. Yep, it's pretty much wraps. Oh, what the hell? Still alive somehow. God willing, we're alive somehow. All good, G. I went from 8K targeting 20K in live, which would have hit to getting bored and scalping. Oh no. No, how'd you not know we don't have how'd you not know we have CPI? That's unlucky. Damn, unfinished. Alright. Oh my god. It is not a fun day. Do I want to buy any more accounts? This is a bloodbath. This is a bloodbath. This is like a slingshot. Like you're so close to oh my god. The accounts are dirt cheap. It's like 390. Oh my goodness. I just buy more. I don't want to buy more. Oh my god. I don't want to buy more. Is it the platform? Do I have to switch back to NinjaTrader? Maybe it's the platform. Let me just pull up Ninja. Maybe it's the platform. I don't know. Go back to Comfort NinjaTrader. Yeah, shorts would hit TP. Unlucky. Yeah, no, I appreciate everyone's advice. I'm just a bit tilted, as you can see, from messing up my CPI play, and now it's just kind of spiraling, so I should probably chill for a little bit. But then if I chill, the volatility is going to dry up, so what to do? What to do? What to do? Stuck in the opening range. I do love NinjaTrader. It's just bad for order flow, but obviously, as you guys can tell, order flow or not, I'm getting rolled today. Oh, we're back on the baby boo. We're back on NinjaTrader. Uh, but I gotta execute on what is it? Deep charts, because these are DX feed accounts. It's good to see Ninja Trader though. Good to see you, old friend. I think I just get short. No. All right, another $390. Bought some accounts. I'll give myself like this shot, possibly one more. If not, I'm just not seeing it today, and let's just call it a day. But yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Inshare definitely is pleasing on the eyes. Holy, I missed this platform. A short of 22 maybe. OR mid might be decent. Didn't quite go up to 922. Still kind of waiting. What are you guys saying? When I blow up, I go touch grass and cry to my dog. Do I need to buy a dog? Is buying a dog the meta, guys? It might just be. That's actually smart. I like that. I like that actually. All right, we're down at the OR low. Do we buy this at 870? I would have if I on a normal day I would have clicked buy instantly, but on a day like today, not feeling it as well. No, I don't have my confidence. Confidence is a real thing. I'm not as confident today, which sucks because, that was a nice instant reaction. Good for 10 points. All right, never mind. Curry doesn't stop after a couple misses. No, he does not. He just doesn't even miss. If he does miss, though, he wouldn't stop. You're right. Yeah, I think we can ping pong both directions. I think you're right. Ninja is by far the worst looking platform stop to cap. Is this really not attractive? Really? Is this really not a good looking platform? Yeah, no, I'll be fine tomorrow. It's just today I'm worried about. I don't want to spiral until today, today. By tomorrow, by even like 2 hours from now, I'll be cooled off. I'll be like chilling. But right now, the headspace I'm in, just gotta tread very carefully. Very, very carefully. Does this hold here? We just going down? What are we doing? Can we make up our mind? Alright, so it's a look below and fail. Got it. Pretty explosive move back up so far. Jeez. A little look below and fail action. Stalling out at the pretty much middle of the range we built. 890s. I'm long one mini right now. Nothing too crazy. Set my stop break even. Is this how far is this gonna go? Is this gonna go back up to top of the range? I wish I could trim, but I'm long with one mini, one on Q. So I can't really trim. We're up 30 points right now. Do I close it here? I'll show you guys. I mean, I have Ninja Trader open, but obviously I have to execute on this because it's DX feed. I'm up 30 points. I got long at 77. Short MNQ to trim. Isn't that no? That's hedging. You can't do that. Or is it? I don't know. I've never tried that actually. I feel like that is hedging, no? Might just close here. All right, I closed. I mean, I made 550 on that trade. Nothing too crazy. It's taking it slow. Well, yeah. Just the reason I blew up is because I pressed size. I mean, I can trade. It's just this account is like 1 day pass, and then yeah. So I mean, I just got caught up in that. Like that was a pretty nice trade. I mean, you see the look below and fail. You basically get long once it's confirmed, and pretty free. I mean, pretty decent trade. Not a bad trade. Now, what do we do here? That's the question. Does 900 hold or not? Do we make it back up to top of the range 23s? Definitely doable. Just because we had a look below and fail, I could see it, but this is a spot it could stall out as well. I could see it though. I mean, I would like to see it. Because typically after a look below, you have like a strong reversion back to the other side of the range. So, well, the other side of the range is up here at like 20s. I guess we did have a, I guess we already went there. Guess we already did. Okay, let's see. See if this goes anymore. A lot of buys just came in on my deep charts. Not sure. All right, well, I think this breaks out. And the way it's moving makes me want to assume it does. But we had that buying come in, so it spooks me out a little bit for sure. A lot of buying coming in. Oh my God. Whole lot of buying. Look at this, guys. Insane. A lot of buying. Maybe it takes us back up to 60s. Top of that swing right there. Who knows? But the look below and fill did its job. It completed its job. So that was a nice trade if you guys took that. I know I've discussed that on stream before. Failing up against all that buying, do I short this here? All right, I'm trying to short off 914. Let me just fill it. Oh, wait. I can't on this. I don't have any accounts. Trying to short off 914. We'll be looking for a 20-point TP pretty much back a little bit more down into the range. So we'll see. See if we get it. Close. We're close. I mean, we're up 15 points. I would need 5 more. Didn't quite get me yet. All right, nice. Just been scalping around. I'm like $100 away from passing this now. Taking it much slower. See if I can get filled on another scalp for $100. Didn't get filled. I had a short limit at 99. Damn, that would have been enough to pass. I would need 5 points. All right, we passed. We passed, guys. So we took it a little slower, size down to 1 to 2 minis, and we passed. So now let's instant activate the fundeds and try and get fund or payout on the funded. So this is how the dashboard looks. So then I don't want to show sensitive info, but you can see I passed now. Obviously the one I failed, it says purchase reset. Not gonna do that. So okay, yeah, there's no personal info. So you just click request PA. I don't know about this firm. I'm just checking them out. So that's why, like, obviously it's not on my banners, right? I only promote known firms. I don't know this firm. Taurus, like it's a new firm. So uh, So pretty simple though, because now that I clicked uh, whatever I clicked, I forgot what I clicked. I'm fried. Now I just go here and then you click next. Okay, the next is the checkout info. There is no activation fee, but it shows sensitive info. Yep, and then you just come in here. Obviously, it's 0. Boom, confirm. And purchase completed. Activating account, ready for use. Go to dashboard, and it says account upgraded. So, yep, we're funded now. There we go. See if we can not blow up like last time. $500 way to a max payout. God, it's unfortunate as hell. Yeah, so far, I mean, I would like us. I mean, we already took out the overnight high. We literally spawned at the overnight high and took it out right away. So that is a donezo. But overnight low in session in play, I don't think it's gonna take that out. It's way too far away. If anything, I think we go take overnight high and possibly new highs, possibly 30K on NQ. Um, let's see. Let's see how if we can make this work. But yeah, since I pass, so if I fail these, yeah, I'm not getting any more. I'm gonna call it a day after that. So we'll see how it goes. Currently, I mean, I think I'd long 870. OR low seems all right to me. Seems all right to me. Let's see. Currently just sitting, chopping around. Yeah, I agree with you, Sniper. I think the same. Let me check ES. What is it doing? Yeah, ES failed to take its data low right here. Data low right there. It would have been nice if we took out the data low, because then you could long pretty freely. I would honestly long ES instead of NQ. I don't think NQ takes out its opening low, but would have been nice. Would have been nice. That is still a draw on liquidity, but yeah, I think it can. It might not go for that for sure. That's the only thing. Yes, took out that data low. Oh man, that's a free long. Kind of chopping right now though. Whoops. What the hell is that? Oh, I opened this chart, daily chart one time and like crashes my system, bro. Because I put way too much data look back on this. Oh my god. Can I just delete this? I'm afraid if I delete this it. Alright, we're safe. We are safe. Alright, let's see if we can snipe a trade. Snipe a long. It's coming down. It's coming down. What is that candle? Do I even get long in front of this? It really spooks you out, doesn't it? A decent spot to try it though. I don't blame you if you try it here off the OR. It's a good spot, honestly. I think it has potential. Nice little reaction so far. I'm long on off this, by the way. We'll see if it plays out. We'll see. I would love for it to play out. I trimmed one there. We'll see if I can continue. Trim another one. Oh, okay. Got my fill. All right. Made 2K on that play, guys. Can we not mess it up this time? Can we try and get the max payout? Would be nice. Do we rotate back up? Maybe. I think it's got to do it in this like next two candles if we're gonna go back up to the top of the range here. Do I get long here? I mean, the risk reward sucks ass, but it's looking like it's gonna continue the rotation up. Do I try it or not? Fuck it, I'm in with one contract. We'll see. We'll see. I'm not as confident it's all size lighter. I got long one contract. Quick little scalp back up to that buying, top of the range. What is that in Q? It's reacting off the session POC, so come on. I mean, this is a scalp, it doesn't really do much. Okay, so we got filled. I still need to make like 1K more, guys. Can we please do it this time? Please. I've had a horrible day. Do I want to flip short, or I'm not long, but do I want to get short up here, or do I want to wait for a long 870 again? I don't know. Mm, God, it looks enticing to short like 930s. What's ES doing? ES is at its own top of the range, kind of selling off. I don't hate a short up here. I just have a bad feeling. Do you buy the breakout here? It's just so cooked. Like you're seeing Psy slap both ways on NQ today. So it's like obviously we have our yeah, okay, so just do that. Thank you. I wasn't in the trade. Just wonder if we get strong here and push it. Looks like we definitely can. All right, I'm long. I'm trying it. I'm trying it, boys. Give it to me. Let's see. It looks pretty good. Not anymore. Ah, God. Damn, it looked so good for a second there. That's so cooked. Yeah, back to a grand on the day. Fortunate. Tough day, man. Tough day. Hope you guys are killing it. I mean, I'm not having the best time. Not having the worst time ever. I mean, it's not a great time, but like, you know what I mean. Could be better. Much better. Um, do I just throw a short down here? Try to get it over with. See if it goes back down to the bottom of the range. Okay, what the hell was that headline? What the? What the hell? You guys seeing this? The hell was that? Well, I made profit, but man, what the hell? Okay. Holy shit. We made it. Holy shit. We made it. Oh, yes. Made it out. Made it out the trenches. Let's go. Made it out, boys. Come on now. The USA has taken total control over the Strait of Hormuz. I think we will keep it. Our naval blockade is being called by everyone. Yo, I don't even care what he said, bro. Give me that. Give me that. Come on, man. Max payout secured. Golly. Stressful last session. There you go. I just need 4 more days of 150. Come on. That's some great news after the shit that happened on CPI today, this morning. Thank you, Trump. Thank you. Thank you so much. Holy shit, drop a like, man. That was stressful as fuck. That was so stressful. You think we go higher? I would hope so. I would hope for a nice reclaim and oh sorry, that's still in the way. I would hope we reclaim this and just go higher. I mean, we dipped into value area low, so um did ES take out its data low? Yes, it did. Yep, there's a good chance we go higher. Look at ES. Took out its data low. That's not good though. There's a good chance we do, but that's not good. Yeah, turn into a good day for sure. Good day. 3 more days on this, requesting 5.4K. Um, my funded C evals are still fine. I'm up 700 on those. Gotta trade those soon as well. But I was locked in on this new firm Taurus today. Golly, take those, man. Take those. I got filled like I got my fill. Like I had a TP, but it was not like I missed like a lot of the move. But I'm just glad I got filled and it worked out. You never know when Trump's gonna tweet. I mean, it's not like I'm gonna have a magical TP set at 8:30. Take what you can get. Yeah, great news. It dumped and started popping. That's the issue. You would assume after that we reclaim and get going now and start going up, but we're not. So then now you gotta ask the question like, is sell side interest really that big today? I don't know, man. And we kind of wicked back up into the body of that news scandal, and we kind of defended it. So I don't know. Don't know. Today's just tricky, like as you guys saw today. I mean, freaking uh I'll show you the freaking order flow. Holy shit. This looks like a whole bunch of horse shit. What the hell am I supposed to do with this? Okay, a lot of buying, cool. A lot of buying up here, trapped. A lot of buying and we're not going up. That is not a good indication. If all this buying happens and we don't go up, what do you think's gonna happen? They eventually gonna get stopped out, and when they get stopped out, they become passive sellers, which increases the fuel to go lower. So you better pray that these guys are correct in their position, because if these people with all this money choose to stop out, well, now we're going lower, and now we're going. It's like gonna be a flash fire lower. So it was tricky, but XP will claim bottom take. Yeah, I mean, don't trust everything you see on X. Shit, I don't post on X. I didn't even post my last 5.4K payout on X. Actually, good comms. I need to do that right now. But you know what I'll do? I think I'll have Ninja Trader and this open. I think that is the play, huh? I think that is the play. There's just so much overflow of information. I took off order flow. I started trading um Ninja Trader, and I started being fine. I made max payout on me on these accounts. Maybe I'm just not an order flow trader. Maybe I'm just not. Oh, imagine the people on Trump's $100,000 alert service. Bro, they would have printed, right? They would have gone short. That's actually such a cheat code, bro. You would have gone short if you had Trump's $100,000 subscription. That's kind of crazy. I mean, you get it a few seconds before. That's crazy. Bro, anyone trying to pull 100 grand? The fuck? What the hell? Vibes trader, it's the only way. I mean, shit, bro. The vibes off the opening range low were really high for me. And also at the opening range mid. And I'm seeing it just react, react, react. So it is a vibe to just trade off of this with no order flow whatsoever. Just thug it out the old-fashioned way before before all these fancy gadgets. I'm old school from the 90s. I don't need no order flow. Well, what would order flow help? I guess the way we should use order flow going forward, today should be a lesson, is we should use order flow at the level. So like this is 923, right? Like the level. If we're seeing all this buying come in at our level, so this was at 7:10 a.m., so that was right here. We saw all this buying come in right here, couldn't push it up, trade all the way back down to the low. What else? What else? What else? We see all this selling. Well, that was the news candle. Can't really say shit about that. Selling here at 903, middle of the range, whatever. Yeah, I guess we just use it as a confluence into my own like actual setups. I think that's the only way to trade this. Don't ever pay attention to order flow if it's out of my like level. So the only order flow I would have gotten would have been at 944 here and here. I mean, it's pretty good. I mean, if yeah, I like it. I think this is the way we trade it going forward, guys. If order flow presents itself at a level, sure, it gives us extra confluence. If not, I'm not taking pure order flow going forward. So that's good. That's good. That's good. And then let's just see. how good this Ninja Trader order flow actually is compared to deep charts. Let's see. Let's just see, guys. Minimum volume for marker. Okay, let's just put at 50. Let's see. Let's see how good this is. So this apparently is a superior platform, right? So let's see how much NinjaTrader can keep up with this platform. Let's see. Whoops. So let this load. It's calculating. Let me hide this. You guys don't need to see that. All right, let's see. Let's see if NinjaTrader can actually cook here. If it can cook here, I might just use this going forward. Come on, man. What is calculating so long? How long do you need to calculate, bruh? Okay, let's see. Okay, I like that. I don't see. Apparently, there's a 255 lot up here. I don't see that up there. I don't see the 310 up here. I see some random ass order 76 over here. I don't see the one at the high. Uh, yeah, this is trash. I agree. So I guess we just keep. Yeah, this is trash. This is cheeks. Can't lie. I guess we just keep this and just coincide it along with this. I think that's the only way. That's the only way. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Take out this. At least we learned something useful today. Hope you guys learned something useful. I mean, I don't know. What could you have learned off of stream today? I mean, just trust the opening range. I mean, that's the trade that paid me the most today. Long here, short here. Long here, short here. That's how I passed my eval. Longed here. Pretty much came back down, longed again for 2K in the funded, and then got short for the last leg. Yeah, I mean, just stuck in the opening range. And I didn't even see that because I didn't have that on deep charts. I mean, so someone said someone said something about my beard earlier. I'm actually gonna shave the beard today. I don't like it this long. Let me scroll up. I know someone said something. Dang, Rithvik aged 5 years with that beard. Oh, it's unfinished. Yeah, I do look older, huh? I must look much older. Must look like a onk. Is it really? Is it really that much? Alright, we're back at the opening range high. I'm not trading this anymore, but we are having a nice reaction. Get a goatee. Well, I have a good jawline, so the goatee normally is to accentuate your jawline. I don't think it would look that good on me. I've tried it before, like when I'm shaving. I've tried to, just leave that before I shave that off too, and I don't think it looks that good. It normally looks better as well on like lighter complexion folks. I'm a bit darker complexion, so it doesn't. I don't know. Maybe I'm just tripping. I don't know. But yeah, yeah. I mean, nice order flow up here, and kind of reacting. Can't get through those orders. Not bad, not bad. Property. Let's change this chart color. Let's get it closer to my actual Ninja Trader so it looks similar. And then do you guys want the order flow as well alongside the Ninja Trader? Or do you guys just want Ninja Trader? Let me know what you guys think. I need like at least 5 answers to take into account. I might just keep both up just because I only use these two to even look at. So where else am I gonna put it? But and also I don't think I need this filter to be this much. Like I think 75 is fine. Plot settings, minimum, where is this again? Data settings. Oh, 75. Apply and put it on this one too. 70, 57, no, 75. Let's see if this looks cleaner. Maybe I put it to 100. It looks a bit cleaner. Why is there a bunch of 50 still? The f Oh, it's here. What? Filter minimum 75, yeah. What's going on? Why do I see 50s? I see a 53 order. What's going on here? What the hell? I need to put it to 100. Both to see what's happening on Reflow. Yeah, I think I'll do that. But why is it showing all this? I changed it. Yeah, I don't know. It's not showing me less information. I'll have to figure this out. Iceberg. Oh, it's been a while since I had that. I used to use Bookmap, if you guys don't know. Tara's website says consistency 35%. No, so I got a plan called the Freeze Max. It's basically Flex plan. Freeze Max. So you click Buy New Challenge. You go here, go to Freeze, go all the way down. You go to the Max. You click this one, and you choose the add-on for EOD. So um, after passing the challenge, it's literally just 5 days of 150 in 5 days, and you just can't hold a trade under 5 seconds. You have to hold over 5 seconds. But yeah, you choose this plan, you choose the EOD add-on, and each account comes out to be like $80, and you can pass in 1 day, and you can get, make payout in 5 days. So that is what I got. My friend Okala is the one who recommended to me. Okay, nice reaction off of opening range. Man, we're just stuck here, huh? And then when you go to buy, you get to see Quant Tower, Atlas, whatever. I obviously chose Deep Chart. You go here, click Confirm Platform. Don't want to show info. 1 second. Change this, change this. Okay, so I took out all my info. So you go here. So use Okala's code. I don't have a code at this firm. I mean, I could make one, but I'm too lazy. You go here, you can bulk buy as well. And if you buy accounts, that gives you like some virtual coins, whatever. And you click this, make sure to click this if you guys buy this. And now it's 402 for 5 accounts. So what is that, like $80? Yeah. And then you use whatever if you have accounts, right? If you bought accounts before, it gives you like some small discount. So it's pretty cheap. And then you go here and you click checkout and you buy. But make sure you click EOD drawdown here. It's a small add-on, doesn't cost that much extra, makes a huge difference. Makes a huge difference. I would not want to be on trailing drawdown. So anyways, yeah, that's how you get Taurus accounts if you're interested. I don't have a code there, so just heads up. I don't recommend this firm. They haven't really paid me out yet, so I can't recommend this firm. But yep, if only I could pass accounts 1 day. I mean, you saw me. I blew like 2 sets of accounts. I wasted $600 or $800, and then I had to buy another one, and I passed that one and then made it on the funded. That's my man. How much we up, Mr. Indian Man? We are up enough to make a max payout. Where's my accounts? We are up, well, this is my funded seed accounts, but we're up 3,400 on the TARS funded. So it's 85% split. So if I request 2,000 per, it's 10,000, right? I think I'll get 8,500. So not bad, not bad. And then going forward, I'll just need 4 days of like 400. So looking forward to getting paid out at this firm. I need 4 more days of 150, which will give me $600. And as you guys can see, I have 3,470. So 4 more days of 150 will put me exactly. Request to get 8,500 and try to make $400. Use 5 micros. Try to make 40 points a day. 5 days. Boom, another 8,500. So that's the plan. Funded seat. Gonna try and get funded. I cooked these accounts on CPI this morning. That's why I was a bit tilted when I started stream. So I bought new fresh evals. Yesterday we were trading these accounts. We got them to day 2, so we had 600 more left to pass. Passed them in the overnight just so I could port them on CPI. Fortunately, CPI didn't work, and that led to some tilt coming into the stream, but we managed it, and we are doing good. So we are doing good, and God, another reaction. I mean, I would not be surprised if we go up off this OR low. Can't really get through this for now. Maybe we go take out the news low sometime today. Don't know when that would happen. Maybe we don't. I don't know. But for now, we're pretty much stuck inside this OR. So cool to see. So if you guys are trading literally just long 70s, short 20s, I mean, I would try to get a little bit of look below and fail. Probably long like 65, short like 25s. But yeah, we are pretty much stuck in this 50 point range. 50 point range? No, 60 point range. It's tough though. It doesn't even do it in one candle. It takes multiple candles. It takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Takes like 4 or 5 minutes to play out if you typically get in. Not too shabby. Are you in your living room? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. As you can see, I have a sports ball. I have a, what is that? A foam roller. I probably need to foam roll my back. And I have a vibration device. I actually never use that. Let me actually use that real quick. It's really nice. I'll show you. Yeah, it just makes your cheeks jiggle, bro. I'm not doing that. I'm doing that off stream. I ain't doing that on stream, bro. No chance. Yeah, bro's about to vibrate himself on stream. It's a good machine. It's a good machine. It's just a little zesty. I can't be doing that on stream. I got on it, and then I was like, alright, bro, this, I can't. Feels good, though. You guys should buy one. Alright, guys, like up the stream if you guys like that vibration. That's what we do around here. We hit profitable trades and we vibrate on stream. Like up, like up. Use my code if you like that vibration as well. Code black on all firms. Here's my daily plug for the day. And yeah, yesterday we made our first affiliate sale on FundNext. That was exciting. Made $10. That was huge. Can we get a replay? Hell no, bro. Go back and rewind the stream if you want a replay. Hell no. Get out of here, bro. What the hell? Hell no. Hey, yo, bro. What the hell? Time to check Instagram, see All the posts. Today I made $6,000 trading today, blah blah blah. Dude, you know what's the worst when you lose and you see that on Instagram? If you miss this trade, you are dumb. Like, bro, all those posts, dude. I see a post on TJR's Island. I see someone talking about CPI. I mean, I don't really see much actually. Maybe TikTok's the way where everyone says stuff. That's maybe my post? Oh yeah. Caught me, bro. Exposed. Yeah, just bouncing around. Opening range to opening range. So not much for me to do. We've been streaming for an hour and a half. I think I'll just wrap it up here, guys. I'll wrap it up here. And going forward, tomorrow, I think I'm gonna size down to MNQ and just try and lock these payouts in every day. Try to make 10, 20 points, get my minimum days in, and just chill out. De-stressing. Took a lot of stress on today, but now that means I get to de-stress and just lock in $8,500 from Funded Next. Sorry, from Taurus and 5,400 from Tradeify. I get to cruise now, so that's literally my style of trading. I like to make the profit in one day. I take good setups, size a little heavier, and then I just get to cruise and do base hits. So I like to do that. That's my style. May not work for everybody, but helps me get to 50K a month pretty stress free because you just take stress from one day, which is today. So I wonder how much my whoop tells me my heart rate was, but it was high in some of those trades, you know? This ain't easy out here. Putting real money on the line, risking real money. It's tough, man. It's tough. It's a tough business. I wouldn't recommend trading to my worst enemy. But I am a trader. Nothing I can do. Alright, guys. Well, oh, I forgot I'm on the AI camera, the AI version. It, hello, literally just moves around. Pretty cool. I think I paid like 200, 250 for this. Pretty retarded. No need for AI camera. It just shows more of my living room as I move around. But yep, I'll call it there, guys. Hope you enjoyed the stream. Stream for an hour and a half. Made some profit. Gonna be getting paid out. We're up like I took a payout for 1,800, 75,900, and 5,400. So let me just do the math. What am I up this month? In terms of I don't know my spend. It's a little bit higher this month, so that just FYI. My spend's probably like 3K right now. 3.5K. I have to check though. But 1,800. Let me go to calculator. Just do it on stream. So took a payout on August 2nd for 1,800 out of a Tradeify growth plus took a payout out of three Tradeify select flexes. I got them all to like 4.3K profit. Took 50% out. It wasn't even the max. You could get to 6K. I was up 7,700. Yeah, it seems about right. And then I took a max payout out of two selects. I got them to 6K. So I'm up 13.1 for the month. I guess I'm up like 10K-ish for the month so far. Nothing too crazy. And then I just need 3 more days on this. I gotta make just 3 days of 200. That would be another $5,400 payout because I'll take 50%. 6K request, right? 3 and 3 becomes 2.7. So that'll be 5,600, right? 5,600. No, I'm retarded. 5,400. So 18.5, right? Obviously, I'm counting everything after the split. I'm not counting. That's retarded. I'm counting when I get to the bank. 18,500, and then if I can do 4 days on Taurus, that'll be another 8,500. I just need 150 there. So if I do that, I'll be up 27. I mean, yeah, not a horrible month, you know. Still on track for my regular shenanigans. It's like a week and a half into the month, and In about 4 more days, I'll know if I can have this amount in my bank. Oh, and I requested 1350 from Onyx Funding, and they didn't pay me out yet. So that's what I'll be up. If I can do 4 days of 200 on Taurus and 3 days of 200 on Tradeify, this is what I'll be up on the month. This is literally off like 2 firms, not even like that many payouts. I mean, and yeah, and after this, I just need base hits going forward. Base hit every day, low size, and pretty much can do another 8,500, right? I mean, I'm just going over the imme immediate what I'm looking at. This is very, very doable in the next 4 days. But after that, well, it's definitely doable to do another 5,400 off those accounts plus 8,500. Definitely doable. Yep. Definitely doable for 3 weeks in. I could be here. Everything has to go well though. A lot of times it does though. I'm not too worried. I think it'll take care of itself. Just have to size down to MNQ and I'll be chilling. But hopefully that makes sense. You guys see what it takes to make like 50K a month. It's not a lot. Not a lot. I mean, I showed the breakdown, right? One Tradeify account payout, three Tradeify accounts payout. That's four. Another two. That's five. That already gave me like 13.5K no, that gave me like 12K. Five accounts give me 12K from Tradeify. That's why I recommend Tradeify. It has the biggest payout cap. You can get to 6K in request three, and for the same price of like Lucid or Funded Next. Funded Next is a bit cheaper, but less payout cap. So obviously all these firms are great, but I would say Tradeify is the best in terms of their payout cap. So I recommend Tradeify, but I recommend all the firms. And yeah, if you use any firms, just use my code. Appreciate that. Helps the stream. And yeah, if I can pass these fund and next, right? We have an earning potential there. What I'll do if I pass is I'll just base it along with, I'll copy trade along with my other ones and I'll just base it. So we'll see, we'll see. We shall see. But yeah, pretty much a day for me. I mean, there's not much else for me to do. Not bad. Made it out. This is why I prefer prop trading over live trading, because as you guys saw, I was a bit tilted, not thinking as clearly as I should have. Still made it on top, it's just I preach asymmetrical risk reward all the time, right? But asymmetrical risk reward really shows itself when you're buying accounts for 400 bucks a pop, and if you make a payout, it's 8,500. That is asymmetrical risk reward. That is like a 1 to 20 RR, right? Obviously, if you pass first try. If you don't pass first try, it's like a 1 to 15 RR, like you saw today. But that is props. That is prop trading for you in a nutshell. It can be very lucrative because your risk to the downside is pretty limited. So once you know, start becoming a better trader, you understand charts and you have a better edge, you're at a serious advantage over some of these people just because you every time you open an account, your expected value is much higher, like right? Like you're not going to be losing what do you call it? You're not going to be losing all your money. You're going to be losing like 400 bucks a pop, and if you make it, you make an $8,500 payout. So it's just so in your favor, especially if you know what you're doing, right? Things like that. But hopefully you guys learned something today. How much did you spend today on evals? Like, bro, 1.2K. 3 shots of Taurus Arena. And then yesterday I opened up Fund and Next, so that was, what was that? Like 93 per account. I reset them. So 93 per account times 5. So that's like 450. So yeah, my spend has been 1.5K pretty much in like the last uh 2 days, 24 hours. But you also have to understand, like, once you start making payouts, you're never spending from your own bank account anymore. Like, your whole bank account is funded by prop payouts. So it just becomes like house money. It's a really nice feeling. You're like never spending out of your own pocket. it just becomes house money after a certain point. It's really nice. Really, really nice. But yeah, obviously I'm still spending that, right? It's hit my bank, I'm spending it. It's obviously comes out of my own pocket, but hopefully that makes sense. Yeah, just like Unfinished says here, um, FN50K is a complete different account. It's only 1,500 payout. Um, it's just very dirt cheap. It's like $80, $79. So it's really cheap. Meanwhile, like Lucid is like 95 or 100. Tradeify is like 90. Uh, Funded seat is like 90 as well, 95. It's just the cheapest one, but yeah, it's a little bit less payout cap, 1.5K. And they take like this stupid 3% rise fee. So, I mean, it's not horrible, but it kind of adds up. So yeah, I would say the best account with Tradeify is the Select 100%. 100%. Nice little reaction there. I was able to add a little more on my funded seat, sorry. All these names are the same. So I got the max I could make in a day. Is it 40%? Yeah, 40% consistency. So the max you can make is 1.2K. So I'm at 1,126 there. So we're good there. We're Gucci. Nice, nice day on the props. Nice day, nice day. Did not trade any live. I pulled out all my lives. Like I said, I'm de-stressed, de-stressing. So yeah, you gotta keep spend low, guys. You gotta try your best to keep spend low. Obviously, I live with my parents still. I'm gonna take on more spend now. I'm moving out in 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks. September 1st, basically. I don't know when that is, but yeah, gotta keep spend low, guys. Shit adds up. Sorry, I got carried away. Best account on Tradeify. Let's see. Pull up Tradeify website. Should buy more, honestly. I should buy more. All right, here we are. So I always buy the 50K, this one, and I always buy it on a bundle because you get a little bit of a discount. And I can't use my own code, it won't let me. But let me just use my friend's code. Let me just use August. Did I buy any accounts in August yet? Oh, I didn't, so I get the discount. I've kept these accounts since last month. Holy, it's August 12th. Wait, no, I don't think. Is that discount? Is that 40%? Am I tripping? They always run like every month you get a first 5 accounts like 40% off. 783 783 times 0.6, 469, and then isn't it 5% off as well? Hmm. I'm not a mathematician, but why is this so confusing? 469.8, okay, but where's the extra 5% for the bundle? That's what I'm wondering. So, okay, let's just do it like this. The fuck? Alright, whatever. I'll just buy them when I blow these accounts. I have two more. I have two here. I don't think I bought accounts this month. Let me check my billing. Did I? Did I buy any accounts this month? Bro, no, it says I activated an account this month. Yeah, look. I've activated my funded. So I've held on to these fundeds for a while. So I've held on to them for like 2 weeks. I had 3 fundeds I activated on 30th. I got paid out. I had 2 funds activated on the forward. So I didn't buy any accounts this month. So I should get 40% off on my first purchase. Okay, okay. So yeah, pretty good, pretty good. So yeah, if you guys are wondering about my spend, right, it's pretty low. I try to keep it low, right? I haven't blown accounts at this firm for like 2 weeks. But at some firms, funded seat, I YOLO'd them on CPI. Didn't work out. It is what it is. I took that risk. So I try to keep spend low, and I'm pretty transparent on my spend. So it increased a little bit just because I YOLO'd on CPI and it didn't work out, so now I have to replace them, which sucks. But if it worked out, I would have had max payout. So I was willing to take that risk. It's all good. So anyways, yep, I got sidetracked, but at Tradeify, the 50K select is the best, and the flex plan is the best. Do not do the daily payout plan. The daily payout plan sucks balls. One time I got an account 10K profit there, and you request a payout, right? Because obviously I made 10K profit. You request it. You have 1K day loss as well. Always. Somehow I got really lucky. I made 10K. I held a position and just kept running and running. And I was like in disbelief. Anyways, I had a 10K profit account, and you can't just do like 150 and request it. You have to do $1,000, or yeah, $1,000, and if you do that, then you can, or like request it or some shit like so, or you might have to make 500. So it's not fun because you have a daily loss that's like tight as balls, and then you have to do that. So yeah, do the flex, guys. If you're doing that at Tradeify, never choose the daily. I'm not a big fan of the daily. I had issues with that. How often do you blow ULs and funded playing aggressive like that? What is the rate like? Well, I don't do it often just because of Taurus has the 1 day pass. I went degen on that today. Spent like 1.2K. But normally I tend to hold on to my accounts, right? Accounts are getting more expensive. It used to be like 70 a pop. I remember when I was trading at Lucid, when it first came out, accounts were like 75, something like that. It was super cheap. I remember I was just like going through those like jelly. Um, every firm is just increasing payout, sorry, prices. So, all right, guys, I think I'm gonna call it a day there. Good enough for me. 8:13 a.m. I typically end trading around 8 a.m. Um, but yeah, if you guys are still trading, just watch out for the opening range low. Just look at the reactions, see what it's presenting. We didn't take out the data low. Maybe we did on ES. Do I have a trade bay open? I do not, so I'm not gonna check that. Yeah, just be smart and be careful. Obviously, right? We had news drop today. We had a headline drop today. Pretty crazy. A lot of orders on the order flow. Um, Slowed down now though. It might just pick up randomly. The reason I don't like trading after this time is because the volatility picks up randomly. I don't really like that. I like the constant volatility. I like to know what I'm getting myself into. Um, so yeah, I don't like trading slow markets because it could just pick up randomly. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Hope you guys enjoyed the vibration as well. I will catch you guys tomorrow. It might be a later stream. I might sleep in. I might not. I'll keep you guys updated in the Discord. Obviously, because I woke up really, really early today for CPI, so I might sleep in. But I'm gonna go take a nap today, so I might not need to. So I'll just keep you guys updated. So stay peeled in the Discord if you're wondering what time I'll be on stream tomorrow. And yeah, let's base it going forward and let's get some payouts. Let's do it. And hi, Sachin. What's up, bro? But we're leaving now. Peace.